up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? Today's video takes place in my dream dollhouse that doesn't have a kitchen or a bathroom, just the way I like it. Just joking. Hopefully we can add on later, but everything in this space is movable, so we want to make a kitchen setup. We can just remove a few of the items and bring in a refrigerator and stove. I got this one from Tiny Frock Shop. Then I can change it back when I'm done. And open toy mini brands. Series 3. That's right, I have a few more. I got 2 for $14.99 on Amazon. And I really want to find more books, even though we can totally make them ourselves. But there are 90 plus minis to collect. But we'll probably make some new books anyway. But first, let's just go ahead and give these mini brands a try. And that is totally not it. It's a tiny fidget spinner that actually works. Cool. And this is the collector's guide and that Play-Doh horse. Yep, that's a double. But we also got a stack of money. Now these doubles, I don't mind. Look at that. They even put the little 5 surprise logo on it. It says $1. And then surprise here. We have the little mini brands logo on the back. And here it says $1. We'll just put these in the couch for safekeeping. Now we're looking for books again. And this is Angry Birds. This one is a new one for me. I got a whole bunch of the yellow ones last time. And we have Zuru Pets Alive Booty Shaken Pups. Oh, wow. I have this in real life. I bought this around the holidays and just kind of never got to it, hoping that it could be a pet for our dolls. But the scale is looking a little large to me. We have 4 different dogs. Let's take one out for a closer look. The dog has inset eyes, a collar that is pink with a little glitter mixed in, and it is not removable. The battery is stored underneath. There is an on-off switch, and there are little wheels in the paws. The dog moves by itself. Yeah, that's kind of cute. And for a little size comparison, here it is next to a Barbie. The Corgi might work. I think the Dachshund and the other dogs are a little too large, but I think they're kind of cute with an Illy Forever doll. And it could be kind of fun to just watch them walk around the dollhouse. And our last surprise is another fidget spinner. We got 2 in the same capsule. Well, at least they work. But this one totally looks like we could turn it into a fan. Glue a wooden dowel or pole to the back, and you're done. We're still searching for that book, so we are trying again. You saw that? I actually did it. I can never pull those things. And it's a safe, which is also a double for me. There are instructions, so we can put it together for the second time. The door opens and everything. And here we have the collector's guide, a tiny Hello Kitty RC car, and it's really there. If you wanted to, you could take this one out. All we have to do is open the side, and yeah, we can take it out. And we have a teeny tiny Hello Kitty car for the dolls. We also got more cash. We all know where that goes. And of course, we can put the car back in the box when we're done. In our next one, we will find, yay, another Tamagotchi. Now I have 2. So I'm going to take this one out and leave it in my doll room, so our dolls can play with the original virtual reality pet. And I'm putting the empty box on my bookcase because it makes good clutter. And it's probably as close as I'm gonna get to finding a book today. I'm sorry. Think positive thoughts, Toya. We got another piggy. One to go, and we have... Are you serious? 2023 is a good year. Because my luck is changing, we found a book. And it's a new one. It's not a double. This time we got a Christmas Carol, and there are little words inside. However, I can't really make them out, but I'm good with that. These are adorable, and they're the perfect size for our 1/6 scale house. I have 2 books now. But seriously, y'all know how long it usually takes me to find something that I'm looking for. But lately, we've been doing pretty good. So let's test this theory. Disney Doorables just launched Series 9 with 50 figures to collect. In Series 8, I was all about turning red. And we just finished our collection when Series 9 dropped, and it has Luca. So that is what we are searching for this series. How many figures? 5, 6, or 7? Ooh, we have 6 doors. I bought these on Amazon, and I'm kind of excited. And the first one we have, wow, there we go, is Minnie Mouse? Yep, Minnie Mouse 70s. Common. Got a little retro vibe there. And behind this door, we have... Please be a character from Luca. Please, 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 please. It's Alberto as a sea monster. Love this. Check out the hair fins, or the fin hair. It goes all the way around. Love it. 1 down, 5 to go. To be honest, I don't know how to process this change in luck. It's so unexpected. So new. Aw, it's a bug. All right, let's keep going. Here's the collector's guide. I'm seeing 2 limited edition figures. Then we have Luca, Minnie Mouse, Who's Huffalump Movie, Mulan, Zootopia, Cars, Soul, and A Bug's Life. All I really want is Luca. So let's see. It's Mr. Mittens from Soul. 2 to go. And this is... Cars. I mean, yay! It's Lightning McQueen. Here is our last one. Is it from Luca? Please be from Luca. No, it's Roo. A rare Roo. Actually, I like Roo. I was a big fan growing up. But we did get Alberto and a book, so overall, not bad. But I wouldn't mind having a few more books. So I made a printable featuring photos of Bella and I at the Bridgerton experience. It's my mini world, I can do what I want. On this page, we have 3 book covers, one for Pride and Prejudice, Emma, and Sense and Sensibility. We have templates for the cover. On the side, we have easy book covers and a few templates at the bottom. I'm hoping these will work with just a little rectangle of foam board. If you want to make a book with pages, we have some filler pages. And sorry, no, we did not make individual stories for all the books. Instead, we have a very generic little lettering thing going on here, and we can use the same one for all of them. I know, I usually write original stories, like in our Space for Dolls in a Hurry book, and the So That Happened book. And we'll get back to writing original stories. This is just a little filler in the meantime. Let's start with the easy book covers. Cut out the covers and the 3 templates at the bottom. I glue the templates onto a scrap of foam board and cut them out. Then glue on the cover to make a quick book that doesn't open to go on the bookcase when you don't need it to be functional, but just to fill the shelves. If you want a book that is functional, we've got you covered. Cut out the templates, glue them onto recycled paperboard. While waiting for it to dry, cut out the cover, fold on the lines, cut out the templates, glue them between the folds, leaving a small space between them. Fold over and glue down the tabs to make the cover. Take the filler pages, Cut out all 3 rows. Fold the pages accordion style, gluing them together in the back. Glue the last page of one row to the first page of the next. Once all the rows have been connected, we should end up with 2 single pages, one at the front and the other at the back. Glue them into the cover. I allow the glue to dry before closing the book. And now we have a mini classic book with pages. 3 new books, in fact, to add to our doll library. Okay, next time the books will be toy-free. But they do look great on the bookshelf, if I do say so myself. Our free printables can be found on our blog, MyFroggyStuff.blogspot.com. Click the tab at the top that says Printables, choose this one. Then scroll down to Books and School Stuff. Does your dollhouse need a few more air fresheners? Well, here is a quick craft. Let's use a bead and a few toothpicks. Cut the toothpicks to the desired length, sand the rough edges, and I'm sanding them a little thinner as well. Then glue them into the bead. I used a little drop of glue to make a base to DIY a reed diffuser for the dollhouse. And let's close out this video with one more toy mini brand and see if we can find the last book. It's worth a try, right? We've been doing good so far. And this is a set of Transformers. Wow, they're painted and everything. There is no plastic on the front and they are attached to the box. We got a collector's guide and more money. This time we got 5s. Yeah! Whoever cleans out that couch is gonna be real happy. But we're still looking for that last book. And, ooh, it's a Littlest Pet Shop. And it's a little monkey. They painted the eyes and everything. This is adorable. Now, that little monkey is attached to the packaging, but it's still super cute. Not what we were looking for, but I'm not mad. Up next, we have an egg with feet. Another item from Pets Alive. Oh no, I think it's a shelf. No, I don't know. Wait, what is this? Yep, it's a shelf on wheels. This goes here, that goes there, and then we can add the stickers. And our last surprise is Orbeez. Oh look, you can even see them inside. But no book. But that's okay, because we know how to make them. Let's try one more time for more Luca. What? We can't do more toy mini brands without doing another Doorables. We gotta balance it out. Will we get 5, 6, or 7 Doorables inside? We got 5. This is not a great start, but we're gonna just keep on going because there's still a chance that we can find some Luca figures. And our first one is a bug. This is Roll from A Bug's Life. And here we have, please be Luca. And it better not be another bug. Oh no, it's the rare Li Shang from Mulan. Then, behind door number 3, we have the collector's guide and Luca. See, I told y'all my luck was changing. We have Luca holding an ice cream cone. We can see all those beautiful curls. Love it. And to think, I was upset because this pack only had 5 figures. It doesn't matter if there's only 5, if they are the right ones. It's the rare Lumpy from Winnie the Pooh. And our last one is, ultra rare Flash from Zootopia. Overall, not a bad start to our Luca collection. Thank you for joining us today while we took a look at more Toy Mini Brands Series 3 and Disney Doorables Series 9. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time. Bye!